Hello again, loves, we're back here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Mixed Media Mayhem. It is also Pink Fresh Friday. So before we get started, if you're not already a subscriber, we would love to have you and welcome to the channel for the first time. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you so much for being here. We love having you every day. I love to read you guys' comments and you are super awesome. All right. I've pulled a mixed media background paper that we're going to work on. The recipe for Mixed Media Mayhem is a background stamp, so I've pulled this Dandelion 1 ink. I've got Brutus Monroe Raven Detail ink and Distress ink and Carved Pumpkin and Ripe Persimmon. And then a 12 by 12 stencil that we have here from the Crafters Workshop. So we're going to use some of these little elements and do some ink blending. And we have our scrap room kit from Pink Fresh. This is the, I don't know what this is. This is the, really? It's not going to tell me? Oh, I can't read that. Scattered confetti, something like that? I can't read that. I apologize. I can't read that small. All right, so we've got all of that. Let's just pull it out. So we've got some embellishments, Wonderful You. We've got some little stuff we can fussy cut, or this beautiful stripe. We also have this beautiful piece of paper here. And then this pink one. Oh, with some florals. So I think we're going to go ahead and use the, see, that would have been so pretty. I wonder if I could do, that would be pretty together. So we'll mat our photos in something. Or the photos, do the photos already have a mat on them? Did anybody see? Yes. Maybe we won't because they already have a white border. It's just Maggie and Bee play fighting again. Bee really is not that mean. She looks mean, but she's not. All right, so let's move all of that out of the way. Let's do some stenciling and some stamping. All right, so we're gonna put the photos kind of like so. Although we could just put this one up here and this one down here. We could do something like that. Let's do that. So then I can just grab a piece of white cardstock. Let's see where we can take this. We'll go 3.5 by 3.5. And then that one can go down here. This one can go up here, and we'll just add a little bit of something. So we need to add some white cardstock around that. I'm just going to reach into my How to Kill a Kit to kill off a little bit more of that. I hope everybody had a fabulous week. I know that I certainly did. Well, I'm assuming, because I'm filming this, today is only the 14th, so I am now getting ahead again. What? Who knew? Who knew I could do it? Not me. Just saying. I feel like I've been, like, I did real good. I got really far ahead at the beginning of the year, and then boom. But that was because I had, like, several days off over the holidays. You know. All right. So what I want to do is use this because it kind of looks like that as well. And we're just going to do some of these little elements right in here. So this is the Ripe Persimmon, or however you pronounce that. I know I'm totally butchering it. we've got that on there. We may not even need to use that other color, carved pumpkin. But this is the 12 by 12 stencil because I'm following the recipe. And then we'll get one down here. What a fun color this is. Okay. Then we need to come in over here. We're going to go on with the carved pumpkin, and I do not care about contaminating my ink, so I just go one right on top of the other. That's who I am as a crafter. Alright, and then we'll put one up here. I know you guys like to, you tune into Mixed Media Mayhem for the mixed media portion of it, right? So I never want to really cut that out. But it is fun to start with a pre-made background. Just takes a lot of the thinking out of it. Then you can just have fun and get messy, right? Now, if you guys want to join a mixed media class, I do hold them once a quarter. The next one will be the end of June. And it is being sponsored by the Tres Jolie Kit Club. So that's super exciting. I've never had a class be sponsored before, so I love the opportunity. All right, so we've got the 12 by 12 stencil. We definitely have the ink, and we're working on the background stamp. So we've got everything needed from that. All right. And then I'm just going to take this, and we're going to put it right there. We're just going to get this down. I love this detail ink. I am shaking the camera, so I do apologize for that. And we're just going to set that down. Give a nice firm press. And there we go. I don't know if I like the squared off of it, but that's okay, because we're going to hide some of that. So this, we're just going to come in, and we're not going to do so much of the square. Let's just do it that way. Get that one stuck over here. Well, that didn't quite work, did it? That's all right. So we have a little bit of it there, so you can just kind of see it. All right. Yeah, that's gonna annoy me. I don't like the squared off edges. I like things to look organic. And that totally looks like one squared background stamp. Okay. We are going to do our best to overlook that and come away. So we're going to put this, let's put this right about here. And this guy's going to go right about here. Yeah, we can put something right there. We can totally cover this. No harm, no foul. So we're just going to pop this one this way with a little bit of an angle. And we're going to come in and pop this one right there. And now let's see what all kinds of fun things we have to play with. All right. When you focus on the good gets better. I feel like that is just funny. I think we'll try to put that in there. And then the little flower. We'll get that in there. We got this little flower. We'll stick. Okay, so we're going to put those in there. I just find it funny because Beast like looks like she's about to eat Maggie. But she loves her sister. She lets that dog get away with a lot of things. Trust me. So we'll put those on there. I definitely want to use these pieces, but I don't think anything else is going to work. So I'm going to have to go through my little Pink Fresh stash, find some other things that we want to use. I do want to use some of these yellow hearts. So let me find some stuff and I'll be right back. Alright, so I pulled out some other items just to go with this, what we've got going on here. And I think I'm epically failing with the Pink Fresh this week, so I do apologize for that, you guys. We're going to put these two little yellow hearts on there. And then I want to grab, let's do some orange crystals to go with it. So we will just add 2 with the hearts. And then we're going to use the Pink Fresh dots. And I think this layout will be done. So we've killed it on the mixed media, unfortunately. Epic failure on the Pink Fresh side of it, so I will do better next time. And that is okay. I'm just trying to find ones that seem to work. Okay, so we've got those just to jazz that up a bit. Whoa, I just about knocked everything down. And then let's come in with some enamel dots. Let's tuck one there, tuck one there. Just come in and tuck as many as we possibly can. Whoa. And then kind of jazz it up a little bit more. Adding several layers of depth and dimension. And that's going to do it for today's layout, you guys. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. The only other thing I think I want to add is just do some sketchy lines. I'm going too fast or this ink pen is drying out. That's the sad thing about these guys, is they do seem to dry out quicker than I would like. Alright, let's see if we can... Let's just go with our old tried and true felt marker. That seems to look a lot better. Get that on there, and I just feel like it kind of houses everything in there, right? So, all right. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.